Hello, friends. Welcome to this podcast. I'm going to discuss about augmenting reality in pharma digital supply chain and pharma front. This is the part one of the series, and let me give you brief idea about our expertise and our focus areas. We are focusing on Center of Excellence Pharma 4. The objective is the various emerging technologies are coming up, how those technologies can help in digital transformation to achieve Pharma 4. This concept is developed by Dr. Jayan Joshi. He has got around 37 years of industry experience focusing on how technologies can help pharma industry to achieve operational and business excellence. In this particular focus area, we want to see how Industry 4 concepts can be adopted by pharma industry. More details are available at our website respa.com, and we have also designed a 20 module course onto smart manufacturing in pharma, which is hosted onto Udemy platform. We also have a YouTube channel where more than 310 videos are there. Again, focusing on to from emerging technology concepts, its business plan, its implementation, change management, emerging technologies, challenges into pharma industry, and how those benefits can be achieved with KPIs, that's all key performance indicators and systems audit. We also have a podcast channel, and this is the 51st podcast which you are listening. We have also a book series on Center of Excellence Pharma 4, which is available on on Amazon platform. Please subscribe to all these channels, share with your comments, share with your network. Let's get into more details about our today's agenda. I'm going to discuss about the introduction, that is the overview of augmented reality in pharma industry and how the transformations will happen through adoption of augmented reality. The next one is Pharma 4, a digital backbone about the entire implementation. Augmented reality's role into pharma digital supply chain. It's a real-time tracking and visibility. Its contribution in enhanced training and maintenance, streamlining the compliances and quality control, smart manufacturing with augmented reality, synergies with Pharma 4 technologies, and finally the future outlook with the integration and Pharma 4 challenges and opportunities. So let's get into the details about the overview of augmented reality. It's revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry, and it is going to help to enhance the digital supply chain operation. The objective is accelerating the adoption of advanced technology. Augmented reality can help in a big way in expediting these implementations of these new emerging technologies into pharma, especially into smart manufacturing. The Pharma 4 framework contains its integration of Internet of Things, utilization of artificial intelligence, and big data analysis. So the goals of adopting all this is achieve operational efficiency, Improving the operational efficiency is crucial for maximizing the productivity and reducing the cost in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Augmented reality helps in a big way to help how that operational efficiency can be improved. The next one is the product quality, which ensure the essential documentation for the regulatory requirement with the product specification and compliances of the regulatory requirement. This is to meet the customers' expectations into the pharma industry. Third thing is it must support the patient safety. Enhancing the patient safety is a primary objective for each and every pharma company, which thus focusing on reducing the risk associated with the pharmaceutical products. And most important thing is it must support the regulatory compliance documentation. The regulatory standards are essential for the complete end-to-end supply chain management. With digitization, we are capturing the data mostly directly through the IoT sensors or from the machines and all that, which reduces the manual uh, data entry, thus assuring the better uh, accuracy of the system, reducing the manual error, and thus can help in ready documentation with minimum manual effort with a better accuracy, which is what is the most important thing. And augmented reality helps in training those people, training the skills, and helping them to achieve all that. The importance and the benefits is the now pharma companies are looking at it for the personalized medicine, where the demand is increasing. Their expectations of the patients and all are increasing. Companies wants to keep track about their health records and the details and all with the digital technologies, which can help to tailor the treatments and all. Regulatory compliance, as I discussed earlier, is to efficiently compliance and the quality assurance its importance. The third is the supply chain transparency, which helps to improve uh, transparency at various manufacturing stages, starting from material issues to material products dispatched to the warehouse and warehouse tracking, and then further deliveries to the uh, transporters to the patients and all that. This helps in reducing the cost, enhancing the efficiency, and if all stakeholders are more comfortable. And this requires a collaboration at all levels and enhances the collaboration across the stakeholders from the uh, demand planning, supply planning, operations planning through the entire manufacturing execution system. And this data can help in further improving onto adoption of innovation and accelerating maybe new product development or order to delivery process timings and all that. So, what is the current state of digital supply chain? Most of the companies are in the process of transitioning to the digital supply chain. So, pharmaceutical companies are undergoing the transformation from traditional to the digital supply chain. And at this level, they need regular uh, inputs, which is where the augmented reality helps to support to them and guide them to the needful, proper, correct implementation to achieve the excellence. So the challenges which are faced is basically presently in the annual analog system, the data storage is there into those silos, and that hinders the integration. And operational efficiencies have not been achieved because the data integrity is not there. So all stakeholders, the desired inputs are not available. So they cannot really take the correct decisions at all. So data-driven decision making, which is what is the objective of digital supply chain management or digital transformations are not by nature. And then there are interoperability prevents the seamless communications and all. Augmented reality can really help over here to build up that different supply chain systems with a com- complicating the data exchange can be resolved and all that. Limited real-time visibility is available for better decisions and all. So the challenges are there that regulatory compliance is the main challenge uh, because the data is a huge and since we are capturing the big data and all that, analyzing the data and capturing exactly the relevant data and documenting is most important. It requires a constant updates and adjustments because the legal requirements are also constantly changing. Data integrity is an issue because it's crucial for accurate decision making, and organizations must address issues of data quality and consistency. Supply chain disruptions are there, maybe disruptions are happening, maybe at the operation level severely or necessitating the innovating strategies to maintain the continuity, or there could be any uh, changes, sudden changes, either into market or other operations or equipments failures or something like that. So any such disruptions are happening, augmented reality can really help and guide those operating skills to take unnecessary corrective actions and all that. This also helps to end-to-end visibility and real-time monitoring that can help organizations to achieve effectively the thing. So now where this augmented reality technology is enhancing the supply chain systems and all. This can help in optimizing supply chain by integrating the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence, which can be streamlined, and supply chains are getting enhanced visibility, and then that can help in improving the efficiency. Today, pharma companies are looking out for enhanced traceability. So, blockchain technology helps in improving the traceability in the supply chain, ensuring the integrity and authenticity of the pharmaceutical products, which is going to the patient and assuring him to the safety and satisfaction of the product. Predicting demand is important thing because there are always the market fluctuation, maybe seasonal demands or something like that. So AI and data analytics is playing a role, and then that needs to be integrated, and then that accurate demand forecasting will help companies to manage the inventories and all. So augmented reality can help in that area also. Companies are looking out for a process automation to streamlining the processes and reducing the likelihood of probable errors and increasing operational efficiency is expected. Augmented reality can help in those areas also. So how augmented reality is driving this transformation? So let's look at and think about it. Augmented reality is the hardware is the innovation. There are recent advancements are coming up, which are including a wearable headset and smartphones and everything. And these are enhancing the user interactions and experiences and all that. Now, along with this, there are software developments are also taking place to adapt to the specific customers' requirements or specific needs about supply chain management and all this. Software advancements in AR technology are improving the user experiences and helping to providing powerful analytical capabilities for this such various applications and all. And finally, that is leading to the Pharma 4 for digital transformations and all. So, IoT sensors and everything, which is capturing the information for monitoring the product conditions and all. Either it could be temperature control to ensure the product quality or humidity monitoring to maintain the optimal operation, operating conditions and all, or AI-driven analytics for manufacturing optimizations, or predicting equipment failures. These are all various challenges are there into the disruptions and all, which are really captured efficiently by the AR hardware software, which I just mentioned in my previous slides and all that. And then that will help in achieving improvements and operational excellence and all that. Blockchain is also playing a role about transparency into the supply chain management and all that. So this is the thing which I wanted to cover up in a small part one area. This also has been covered up in many social media that I discussed in the beginning. I request all of you to do subscribe these channels also. I'm sure you will get a lot much inputs which are going to be beneficial for your day-to-day operations and finally decision making to achieve operational excellence and all. Let's look at it the part two also. Thank you. Bye.